What's up guys, back with another video, and I just finished recording my previous video about iPhone 12 mini, and I just couldn't resist to comment about the current rumors about the 2022 M3 iPad Pro. I mean, I'm gonna do a separate video, a general video about this whole topic, but I just couldn't resist. I mean, I see on the internet suddenly rumors emerging about M3 iPad Pro, OLED iPad Air, I mean glass iPad Pro, and I'm wondering what's the point of this. I mean, I get that the main point is that some people just need to spread rumors because, popularity, because of false information, whatever, even if it's false or not, it really doesn't matter. What matters is actually the fact that the M1 iPad Pro literally just came out. Like some people, even me, it hasn't arrived yet for me, so I'm still waiting for it. And suddenly I see all of those rumors and videos and titles like, should you wait for the next iPad Pro? I mean, come on, iPad Pros are being refreshed like every year and a half. Like the previous model was quite an exception since it was barely an upgrade. But like now we got this M1 processor, huge performance boost, some additional features including Thunderbolt, we got mini LED on 12.9-inch model, and suddenly, like without actually any solid pieces of information, all we see on the internet is M3 iPad Pros and anything like that. I mean, I don't hate on anybody. Leaks are necessary, leaks are really helpful, leaks is what keeps us going. It's just, I wanna strictly talk about the fact that if you are in the market for a product, don't care about those leaks that much. And I've made that mistake as well, so I'm the one to be blamed as well, since I made a lot of videos about iPad mini 5 and I said don't necessarily buy this product, buy this for a good price, but be careful because iPad mini 6 is probably coming. I said that too, because the leaks were heavily suggesting that, and there's actually some evidence that the mini 6 will launch very soon. And I mean, we've been talking about that for like 2 years, but yeah, eventually we're gonna be right. But coming back to those leaks, like if a new product already launches, usually 95% of the time, it's really not gonna be replaced that soon. And especially with iPad Pros, like the new ones are barely even on the market and people are talking about M3. And that's good, that's totally good, because like we as a tech community, we gotta talk about this stuff and keep people informed, keep speculating, and because this is what we do, this is quite a bit of fun, honestly, for me as well. But if you're a customer and if you're looking for an iPad Pro and you just see that the new one has come out, and then suddenly you hear all of those leaks and rumors about so-called new iPads that are coming, like, this is a big mistake if you think that this is correct and accurate. So buy what it is currently on the market, especially if this thing just came out like the new iPad Pros, and don't really care about those leaks, because many of those are actually pure speculations or wishes, and they are not even gonna come true if they are real in like year and a half, since iPad Pros are really not refreshed that often, since when they launch they are overkill. So buy now what you need, buy now what you think is right for you, for a good price, for the best price you can buy, and really enjoy the hell out of those devices because they are good, they just came out, and there is really no point in being worried about those leaks, about the incoming iPad Pros that are gonna launch in like late 2022. I mean, are you really willing to wait like year and a half for a product that's not even confirmed, and it's not gonna be confirmed for like months? And I just think this is not worth. Like, sure, you can wait if you have a good iPad Pro, but like, we can always wait since there's always gonna be something better. And right now we just got quite a big upgrade, to be honest. Like, as I said, big processor upgrade, big other features upgrade in the new Pro. So if you're in the market for a new iPad Pro, buy the current one, since it's gonna be in the lineup for a long time. And those leaked or rumored M3 iPad Pros that are gonna launch in late 2022, they are just for speculations and for us to have some fun and you as a customer shouldn't really care and pay that much attention about that unless there is a certain leak indicating heavily that the new products are coming. Like for example iPhone 12s or 13, regardless how it's gonna be called. We know that iPhones are introduced yearly, a new model is introduced yearly, so we expect it usually by September. Last year was an exception, we got it in October, but usually around that time frame you know that something is coming. So in that case, listening to the leaks and rumors, that's pretty useful. But when it comes to the product that is so far ahead, it's really not worth. And if you're in the market for a certain product, just buy it now, especially if this is a new product like iPad Pro. So yeah, that will be this for this video. I wanted to just quickly talk about it, go through it, and you know, maybe just spread some awareness among people who think that M3 iPad Pro is a thing. Again, I don't hate on anybody who's making those leaks videos. I made that too, and I make some soon, so yeah, because this is basically what we do. It's just the video to tell some people that not to worry about those leaks too much and not to wait for years for the new products that are gonna be better. I mean, that is the purpose of those products, to actually be better. But if you need something right now, what's the point of waiting? Like, if you have no iPad and you're gonna buy the new Pro, like, you're gonna experience some tremendous boost in productivity and users experience, and really like glass back or OLED or whatever is not gonna change your life, and is for sure not worth waiting like year and a half for that. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to press the like button if you wanna see more content like that, and there is gonna be a lot of more content including the M1 iPad Pro. Make sure to subscribe, be sure to be well, and until next time, peace.